Hello, fourth graders. Happy Friday. We made it through our first week of distance. So for today, we're going to do just a little review of what we've done already this week with area and perimeter. So say hi to Bochi. Hi, Bochi. And we'll begin. So as you learned, area is length times width, and perimeter is 2 times the width plus 2 times the length. So your first job today is on your paper. I want you to find both the area of this and the perimeter. So you're going to find the area, you're going to do 25 centimeters times 76 centimeters, and the perimeter, which would be 2 times one of these plus 2 times the other one of those. So go ahead and do that work. You can pause it, and when you're done with that work, we'll go over it. So pause it. Oh, do you think they paused? Doesn't seem interested. Okay, we're going to assume you paused, you did the work, and now we're going to go over it. So for 25 times 76, you might have done it with the box method, you might not have. Oh, hi, now you're interested. So I'm going to draw a box. Okay. Bye. And we're going to split it in half. And then we're going to split it in half again. So we're going to take 25 and break it apart into 20 and 5. And then over here, 70 and 6. And in this box, you would do 7 times 2 is 14, attach 2 zeros. 7 times 5 is 35. Attach that 0. 6 times 20, 6 times 2 is 12. Attach your 0, and 6 times 5 is 30. Then we would take these numbers here and add them all together, and we'll see if we get the same number. Thanks, Calvin. Are we trying to attract Bochi to come back to the video?
Yeah.
Okay, I did my ones is a 0. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 3 is 8, 9. And then that 1 comes down for 1,900. Is that what you got? Okay. If you didn't get it, let's check your work and see where we went wrong. Not sure. You'll have to check your own work. I can't help you through the video. And I need to label it in correct units. So because I'm finding the area, I'm going to call it centimeters squared. Don't forget that little 2 goes up there because it's area and it's squared units. All right, perimeter. You probably, hopefully, did 2 times 25 plus 2 times 76. So 2 times 25. If we think of quarters, we can pretty simply say that that's 50, right? Yeah, I think so. 76 might be a little trickier. You could double 70 and then double 6. So 70 doubled is 140, right? Why are you looking at me like I'm wrong? And 2 times 6 is 12. So if I were to double the 70, I'd get 140. Double the 6, I get 12. So this would be 152. So 50 plus 152. 50 plus 150 is 200. Get that other 2 up in there. 202. And we're going to just call that centimeters. Hi, Bochi, you're back. Centimeters, because it's a perimeter and it's linear units. So, Bochi, now that they've got their area and their perimeter down, I'm going to have them get their math workbooks that they probably already have, but I don't have mine. You can grab it from me right there. It's that purple one. And we're going to be looking at our page that I should have already pulled together for you. Oh my word, we are on page, Bochi, entertain them while I find the page. Thank you. 197. It looks like this, like that. and they're going to be asking you to identify if a student is solving a problem to find the area or the perimeter. So A, 25 plus 76 plus 25 plus 76. Ooh, those are our numbers. Are they finding the area or the perimeter if they're adding 25 plus 76 plus 25 plus 76? And then for B, 2 times 25 plus 2 times 76. Seems like they're doing the same thing. Well, hopefully, I wish I could call on you and you could tell me what you think it is, but I think you already know. So you're going to go through these and you're going to talk about if it's area or perimeter, what they're doing here. Oh, and then when they label in square units, if that's area or perimeter, or if, sorry, Boach, they are labeling in linear units, meaning they don't have the little 2 over it, if that's area or perimeter. And then down here, looks like someone spilled some ketchup on their work. You looking at that? Do you see that on your paper? So you have to decide if this person was trying to find the area or the perimeter when they are saying 2 times a number plus 2 times a number. Or they're saying 100 times a number minus 1 times 37. So what's happening here is you have to decide if it's area or perimeter. And then they want you to draw what that rectangle would look like and what are the numbers that they are using to find the area or the perimeter. And same thing with down here, where you're using the information from up here to fill in these numbers down here. Also today, you are, hi Bochi, you are free to do this page, this challenge page if you want to. If you do it, take a picture. And if you could be using the Google Apps to send this work to me, to submit it, it's going to make it a lot easier for me to keep track of it, because what's happening is I'm getting hundreds of thousands of emails a minute from all of you, which makes me happy because you're doing your work and I love it all, but it's kind of hard to organize. The other page I want you to do here in the workbook is also with finding the area and the perimeter, and they're giving you the numbers to use. Ooh, there's a square. With a square, you want to, that's very distracting. With a square, you want to do 4 times the side, 4 times the number. And remembering our 4 strategy, double, double, double the number, double it again. All right, have a wonderful weekend. And if you're watching this before 10 o'clock, I can't wait to see you on our Google Meets. Go to the activity directions on this morning's email, and you'll find the link for the Kavana class or the Higgins class. So have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon.